Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Vihanta Foundation. Generally, trust is misunderstood by if you can trust someone, but actually it is other way round. Correct that if someone trusts you is called truly trust. Here you can check about any business individual's profile before you trust him, and we achieve that given our in-house network across India. Building trusted business relationships requires systematic verification and careful evaluation before initiating any partnership. Trust forms the foundation of successful business collaborations, and establishing it requires thorough due diligence and ongoing assessment, comprehensive background research, verify their track record by examining their professional history, achievements, and past business relationships. Request and check references from former business partners, clients, and collaborators to understand their working style and reliability. Ask specific questions about why previous partnerships ended and look for patterns of blame shifting or deflection in their responses. Investigate their digital footprint thoroughly by searching for online reviews, public records, testimonials, and any mentions of unethical behavior. A solid online presence can validate their claims, while significant gaps may warrant further investigation. Check their company registration status, licenses, certifications, and compliance with industry regulations. Financial verification and legal standing. Analyze their financial stability by reviewing credit ratings, financial statements, and payment history. Look for red flags such as bankruptcy history, unpaid debts, mixing personal and business finances, or avoiding financial discussions. Use credit rating agencies or conduct independent financial analysis to assess their monetary reliability. Examine their legal compliance by checking for pending litigation, regulatory violations, licensing issues, or past involvement in fraudulent activities. Verify their legal entity status, articles of incorporation, and certificates of good standing. Investigate any history of lawsuits, disputes, or regulatory actions that could indicate potential risks. Warning signs to avoid. Recognize critical red flags that indicate untrustworthiness, including lack of transparency in financial matters or business operations. Be cautious of partners who provide vague responses, avoid direct answers, or constantly change their stories. Watch for irregular communication patterns, such as delayed responses or avoiding important calls. Additional warning signs include unreliability in meeting commitments, breaking promises, or missing crucial deadlines. Poor financial management, excessive risk taking without evaluation, or making unauthorized decisions are serious concerns. Be wary of individuals with a pattern of failed ventures, negative industry reputation, or ongoing legal issues. Establishing protective measures. Document everything by drafting detailed partnership agreements that clearly outline roles, responsibilities, financial contributions, and decision-making processes. Include dispute resolution procedures and exit strategies with buyout clauses in case the partnership doesn't work out. Ensure all commitments and agreements are in writing rather than relying on verbal promises. Maintain ongoing monitoring by staying actively involved in business operations and financial decisions. Establish regular financial reporting and oversight mechanisms to prevent potential fraud or mismanagement. Consider periodic reviews of the partnership arrangement to ensure continued alignment of goals and values. Building trust before initiating business requires a comprehensive verification process that protects against financial loss, legal disputes, and reputational damage. Trust verification involves multiple layers of due diligence spanning financial, legal, operational, and character assessments. Financial health assessment: verify financial stability by requesting audited financial statements, bank statements, and credit reports to assess payment patterns and debt management. Look for consistent revenue streams, manageable debt to equity ratios, and absence of court judgments for unpaid debts. Check for bankruptcy history, frequent company dissolutions, or patterns of financial mismanagement that could jeopardize the business. Legal and regulatory compliance: conduct thorough legal background checks through official government registries to verify business registration and compliance status. In India, use the Ministry of Corporate Affairs (MCA) portal to verify company registration, CIN numbers, director details, and filing compliance. Check the insolvency register for disqualifications, court records for litigation history, and regulatory bodies for any violations or penalties. Reference and track record verification: obtain and verify professional references from previous business partners, clients, and suppliers to understand their working style and reliability. Ask specific questions about why previous partnerships ended, their approach to conflict resolution, and their ability to meet commitments. Look for patterns of blame shifting, vague responses about past failures, or inability to provide credible references. Character and integrity assessment: evaluate transparency and honesty during initial discussions by assessing their willingness to share information, discuss failures openly, and provide documentation when requested. Watch for red flags such as avoiding direct answers, changing stories frequently, or withholding critical business information. Test their integrity by asking challenging questions about their business practices and observing their responses. Digital footprint analysis: analyze their online presence across professional platforms like LinkedIn, company websites, and social media to verify credentials and assess consistency in their professional image. Check for customer reviews, testimonials, and any mentions of unethical behavior or disputes. Verify professional certifications and memberships directly with issuing bodies rather than relying solely on self-reported credentials. Operational capabilities review: assess their operational infrastructure including office locations, team capabilities, technology systems, and industry expertise. Verify their claimed client base, project portfolio, and market position through independent research. Evaluate whether their operational capacity aligns with their business commitments and growth projections. Documentation and legal framework: establish clear partnership agreements that outline roles, responsibilities, financial contributions, decision-making processes, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Include exit strategies, buyout clauses, and dissolution procedures to protect interests if the partnership fails. Document all commitments in writing and ensure regular monitoring of business operations to prevent fraud or mismanagement. Trust verification is an investment in long-term business success that minimizes partnership risks while identifying genuine opportunities for mutual growth. The verification process should be thorough, objective, and based on verifiable information rather than assumptions or first impressions.